phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello again, jolly children. Welcome back from Inky, V, and me, Jolly Uche. I'm glad to welcome you to another edition of our Jolly Phonics video learning session. Before we go into our sound for today, I would like us to revise a previously learned sound. Okay, children, what sound is this? Oh. And what is the action for the sound oh? That is good. Alright, jolly children, I have a story to tell you today. Are you ready? My story is about Francis. Francis and his friends went to the beach to play. While they were there, they bought a floating fish. As the boys fought over the fish, it suddenly got a hole and all the air came out, making... Children, can you say... Okay, children, what sound did the floating fish make as all the air came out? That's good. Can you put your hands together and press them slowly together and make the sound? That is the action for the sound. And children, this is the sound. Can you say? Good. Okay, jolly children, let me show you on our board how to write the sound. To write, you start above the blue line. To write, you start above the blue line, make a curve backward, come down with a backward hook and a dash. Shall we do it one more time? Okay. To write, you start above the blue line, make a backward curve down with a backward hook and a dash. Jolly children, is the sound a giraffe letter, a turtle letter, or a monkey-tailed letter? The sound is both a giraffe letter because it starts above the first blue line and a monkey-tailed letter because it ends below the second blue line. This is the only letter sound that does this. Take note, okay? Okay, jolly children, let's try writing the sound in our Jolly Phonics Pupils Book 1. Here is my pencil. Let me show you how to write the sound. To write, you start at a point, make a backward curve, stroke down with a backward hook and a dash. Let's try that again. To write, you start at a point, make a backward curve, a stroke down with a backward hook and a dash. One more time. To write, you start at a point, make a backward curve, go down with a backward hook and a dash. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay, jolly children, let us now blend some sounds to read words that have in them. Are you ready? Here is our first word. Okay, jolly children, when I put my pencil on the sound button, I want you to say the sound for me. Let's go. I, t. Again. I, t. Let's blend it a little faster now. I, t. I, t. Fi, t. Fi, t. Fit. Shall we try it again? I, t. Fi, t. Fit. 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 Jolly children, I'm going to show you another word. Look at it carefully. We're going to sound it out with our reading instruments. What are the three sounds that you see? F, A, T. Let us use our reading instruments to read this word. Let's go. Place the first sound. F, and the next one. A, and the last one. T. Do it again. F, A, T. Faster now. F, A, T. Fat. Blend it again. Fat. Faster. Fat. That is great, jolly children. Let us now sound out some words. I'm going to show you 4 pictures. The first picture is a picture of a flag. Can you say flag? Flag. Can you hear the sound when I say flag? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of flag? At the beginning. That is good. This is a picture of an umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Can you hear the sound in umbrella? No. So what do? We cross it out. The next picture is a picture of a fan. Jolly children, say fan. Fan. Can you hear the sound in fan? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the word? At the beginning. Correct. Finally, we have the picture of a frog. Can you say frog? Frog. Can you hear the sound in frog? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the beginning. Great. Okay, jolly children, I want us to count the sounds we can hear in these 2 words I'm going to call out. Are you ready? Let's go. Puff. Puff. Let's count. P, A, F, puff. How many sounds did you hear? I heard 3 sounds. Our next word is soft. Can you say soft? Now let's count the sounds we can hear in the word soft. Let's go. S, O, F, T. How many sounds is that? 4 sounds. I heard 4 sounds. Okay, jolly children, we have come to the end of our video learning session for the day. I hope you learned something new. Inky said he did. I'm so glad that you joined us today. We're going to move on to listening to our jolly song for the sound. Okay, bye-bye, jolly children.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly, phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly, phonics, a fun-filled way to learn.